Hello, this is Temporal, and I am currently working on the sky right now, as you can see, and there is quite a lot of color applications here. Same with the back. I don't know if you can see much there. I can turn it around, but you know, there's that. There's the back right there. Looks very nice. Kind of. Right there. Not bad. But, it's slow and steady. Then I'm currently working on the legs right now. Oh, currently waiting for paint to dry so I can finish the legs. Quite a lot of white paint, especially on this guy. Anyways, thanks for watching, and bye.